na isang talo na lang na out na tayo. So,
Oh, pero we don't look at it that way. No? Ang ano namin is we feel we can still take this to a game 7. No? I'm happy with the effort of the guys. No? Makita mo yung effort ng mga players namin. Hinebra just shot the ball really well. No? Na every time we get some kind of a momentum, pasok yung tres nila, meron pang mga 4. No? So, I think yun yung mga uh, momentum stoppers no? Dun sa laro namin. But I'm not really worried no, about our next game. Uh, Maganda pa rin yung vibes ng team no kahit natalo kami ngayon no I feel they're very positive still about the Sunday game. You can feel that meron silang kumpiyansa na makakabalik sila. So to me that's a good sign no. uh, of course we still need to solve yung mga problems namin no na defensive adjustments. But all in all, we were hoping for a long series. Now it's a 6-game series. We might turn it into a 7-game series, which is yung objective namin from the very beginning. So this is still within our ano naman. This is still within our objective. We just want it to be a long series. If it goes game 7, last man standing, tingin namin we can be fresher. No? Our rotation is longer, so a game 7 would be really advantageous to us. No? But first, we have to win on Sunday, of course. Pero maganda naman yung maganda yung vibes ng team. No? Kung usually matalo kang ganito, down na down sila, mararamdaman mo. But I did not feel that in this game today.
Coach, yung sabi ni Adrian Moco at saka ibang players daw, ang mananalo ng series na dito, yung mas matalinong team. Ano kailangan niyong gawin para mas mautakan niyo yung Hinebra come game 6?
It's really not yung it's the small decisions that you make during the game. Parang the less turnovers you make, the less defensive lapses you make. Yun yung sa akin ang ibig sabihin nung mas matalino Lahat naman kayo both sides magkakamali. But it's really not putting one over the other, no? Parang naisahan mo dahil mas matalino ka. Hindi siya sa ganun Tingin ko lang is make fewer mistakes. You will still make mistakes, but if you can make fewer mistakes, then this next 2 games, hopefully kung may kung may game 7 pa, will still be very close and they will be won on the margins. And ang Hinebra advantage nila is they're very experienced. They're very experienced team. Ang tingin ko ang advantage namin is yung desire ng mga players na they want to be in a situation where they will be challenged. So, ito yun Yung mga players na to, this is what they signed up for. Gusto nila malagay sa ganitong sitwasyon, gusto nila i-test yung sarili nila, yung tibay ng loob nila, yung talino nila, yung skills nila. This would be a good test for them. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you, Coach.